everyone, welcome back to Lala's Kitchen. My name's Lalaine. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to my first 1,000 subscribers. I know it's not much, but it is definitely a milestone for me, for Lala's Kitchen. I've been doing this for so many years, so to reach 1,000 subscribers, that's one of my goals that I've been trying to work towards. So thank you so much for those who have supported me, friends and family most especially, to Facebook Moms group, as well as the Cooking Creators group. So thank you so much, and stay tuned for more from Lala's Kitchen. So to celebrate 1,000 subscribers, I thought it would be really cool to show you guys who films Lala's Kitchen and who does the editing. And if you're curious to know who they are, then keep on watching. And just so you know, they are extremely cute.
Action, Mama. Cut. Cut.
Cut. Okay.
Action, Mama. Stop smiling, Mama.
No smiling? Okay. Are you okay? Do you need some water?
I need the break.
What's that? You need a break? But we just started.
Let's wrap.
Wait, that's a wrap? Okay. I guess I'll film tomorrow. Hi! How's my video going? Is it ready? Can I take a look? When will it be done? Oh, okay. Oh, good.
What you're doing, Adam? That's not right.
Also, who put your outfit together? Because it doesn't match. Just saying. Where are you going? Oh, okay, bye. So of course my kids don't do my editing or my filming. If you'd really like to know who does the filming and the editing for Lala's Kitchen, then maybe stay tuned for a behind the scenes video. Thanks again so much for watching Lala's Kitchen. I really appreciate all the support. If you like this video, please click that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Say action. Again, action.
Action.
You say it. Action.
What's your action?
Yeah, good job. Say action. Say action, Mom. Action.
Roar. Adam, roar. Can I sit there?
You want to sit there now? Okay, you look at him and be like, what are you doing, Adam? Say, what are you doing? Say, what are you... Oh! Oh, you're right. So if you...